Good day, friends. I'm Dr. Chandrasekhar Banerjee. I would like to talk about why vaccination is important. I'm sure you are aware of the recent COVID cases in India since you all listen to the news every day, either on TV or on radio, or maybe read. Today, the latest figures are 3.5 lakh people in India have been infected. Yesterday's figure, and almost 3,000 deaths have happened. And I'm sure nobody would like to see this figure because we are all losing our near and dear ones. Vaccination is important and it can prevent us from having difficult situation. I'm sure you must have seen some of your friends, some of your neighbors, somebody you know may have got infected or may have died due to COVID. Now there are a lot of things, rumors which are going on in this market that because of vaccination there are a lot of problems. Now let me talk about some of the facts or some of the rumors that are going on in the marketplace. First is, if I get vaccinated I may get COVID. Well, COVID vaccine is something which has been totally tested by the companies, and these are big companies in India. So anything which is available in the market for human consumption has to pass certain number of tests, and until and unless they are approved it will not come into the market. So you can be rest assured that in the market today whatever is available, there are two brands which are available. One is Covishield and the second is Covaxin. These are all tried and tested and approved by the government of India. So you can be rest assured it is absolutely safe and there is no need to worry. There is another rumor that there are different kind of things which are put in the vaccine. One is electronic device to track your movement, or maybe the animal products which are put in the vaccine. Well, these are all lies. There is nothing like an animal product, and there is no detection or chip, electronic chip in this. You can be rest assured that this is absolutely safe and it is for your prevention. Now, there is another problem which people are talking about. When I take a vaccine, I may get a lot of side effects. Now, the side effects, well, it depends on your body, it depends on the individual, because vaccination, once you get it done, may or may not have any side effects. Now, when if even if you get some side effects, they are very mild. Maybe you get fever, and that is there with other vaccines also. Mild fever, or maybe pain, body pain, and then it gets all right in 1 day or 2 days. And some other vaccine, if you can take, some other brand, so it may also happen that you might get a little heaviness in your arm once you get the shot, and there is no fever, there is no pain. So it all depends on your body structure, your body's immunity, right? So now there are a lot of people who think that they are very healthy, but my friend, please understand, nobody knows what is the internal system of a human being. People who look healthy may have a lot of problems inside their body, and people who look very weak may have a very strong immune system. So it is very difficult to detect whether you have a very strong immune system or you have a weak immune system until unless you actually get into the situation. So vaccination would actually help in the long run, because you might have seen the government of India, when it first came with the vaccines for the people, it was only for the elderly people. Now elderly people means, or the senior citizens, which is 60 years plus. So they were given the first preference. Then came the second phase, where government said people above 45 with comorbidities. Now what is comorbidity? Comorbidity is maybe you have diabetes, maybe you have other sickness, maybe you have high blood pressure. So these are comorbidities. Now, vaccine was important because if you get COVID and you have this problem with diabetes or blood pressure, then the chances of your body getting very weak, or maybe even survival sometimes may be very very challenging. So the government said that for the first and foremost thing that people need to do is get vaccinated, especially the people who have comorbidities, people who are elderly, because they have a weak immune system, and that is why it is important for them to get vaccinated first. In the third phase, the government said that people above 45 years can get vaccinated even without comorbidities. That means they do not have any other disease condition. They are absolutely fit and fine, but it is important for them to get vaccinated. So people got vaccinated, and then now the government is saying from the 1st of May, people above 18 years of old age, they can get vaccinated. So it's important for all of us to get vaccinated, because if you do not get vaccinated and you get COVID, then it will be very difficult, because COVID will be causing a lot of damage inside your body. It may lead to problems in the lungs, it may lead to different problems in different organs. Maybe it may have negative effect on the heart, maybe it may have negative effect on the kidneys, maybe some other organ. So with COVID, I know of people who have had vaccination, and after that they got COVID because they came in touch with somebody else, some other people. But because they had the vaccination done, their symptoms were very very less compared to the people who did not get vaccinated. So with vaccination you will have a lot of advantage, and that's why, my friend, keep your family safe, keep yourself safe, because you need to work, you need to be in the factories, you need to be in the office, so that you get your salaries in time and you take care of your family. With this, I really suggest that you go and get vaccinated immediately without any further delay. And there are two doses that needs to be taken. One is that you take today, and then maybe it all depends on the type of vaccine, so they will tell you when is the next dose, and that after that you are absolutely free. But along with vaccination, also take certain precautions, that do not, whenever you go outside in the market, do not touch your eyes, nose, or mouth, because the entry point of this virus is from these three places. So if you are outside, always wear a mask, and mask has to be covered. Your nose needs to be covered, right? So that you go to the market, there are people around you. At least people, maybe somebody will cough at you, maybe they will sneeze, and the germs will not enter because you're wearing a mask. You have to be protected. And then once you come back to home, you immediately wash your hands with soap for minimum 20 seconds, because even if by chance you have touched something outside, or if you have shaken hands with anybody and that person had virus, it will die with soap. So I wish you to be safe and be well, so that you can take care of your family and friends. All the best. Keep well. Thank you.